Hey, let me show you the microphone quality of the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So in this phone we can actually find the two microphones, and I'm going to show you actually the quality of the both. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 microphone check. 1 2 3 4 5. So now we can listen. I'm going to put it close to the microphone and I'm going to volume up. There we go. 1 2 3 4 5 microphone check. 1 2. So this is how this bottom microphone sound, and now I'm gonna show you the second one. 1 2 3 4 5 microphone check. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now I'm gonna play it, and I'm gonna also put it close into the mic. 1 2 3 4 5 microphone check. 1 2. Okay, so as you can hear, in my opinion, this first microphone that is actually at the bottom sounds better. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.